Choosing the right intermittent fasting schedule. A comprehensive guide to the 16/8 method, 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity in recent years as a dietary approach for weight loss and improved health. Among the different types of intermittent fasting schedules, the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting are some of the most well-known. In this video, we will take a closer look at these different schedules, their potential benefits, and how to follow them. The 16/8 method. The 16/8 method, also known as the lean gains method, involves restricting food intake to an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. This means that you would consume your meals during an 8-hour period and then fast for the remaining 16 hours. For example, you might eat your first meal at 12 p.m. and your last meal at 8 p.m., then fast until 12 p.m. the next day. One of the main benefits of the 16/8 method is its simplicity. It is easy to follow and can fit into most people's schedules. Additionally, it may lead to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. The 5-2 diet. The 5-2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 for the remaining 2 days. These 2 days are not required to be consecutive and can be spread throughout the week. The 5-2 diet may offer several benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. However, it may be more challenging to follow for some people, as it requires calorie restriction on specific days. Alternate day fasting. Alternate day fasting involves fasting every other day and eating normally on non-fasting days. There are different ways to implement alternate day fasting, such as consuming only 500 to 600 calories on fasting days or consuming no calories at all. Alternate day fasting may lead to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. However, it can be more difficult to follow than other methods, as it involves more prolonged periods of fasting. Which intermittent fasting schedule is best? The best intermittent fasting schedule for you may depend on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and health goals. Each method has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, and it's essential to consider these factors when choosing an intermittent fasting schedule. It's important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, such as pregnant women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions. Before starting any new dietary approach, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can be a valuable dietary approach for weight loss and improved health. The 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting are just a few of the different schedules that you can choose from. By finding the right intermittent fasting schedule for you, you can reap the potential benefits and achieve your health goals. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.